Good morning, Year 3 and 4. Today's maths lesson is all about pictograms. The word pictogram comes from the word picture and gram meaning data or information. So pictogram means to show data or information through the use of pictures. I'm going to use these tinned goods here to teach you about pictograms today. I've got lots of different types of foods here and I want to know how much of each tin I have so that I know what I've got to go and buy next time I go to the supermarket. If they're all randomly mixed up, I don't know how many chickpeas I have, I don't know how many beans I have, I don't know how many tomatoes I have, and I might end up buying more tins of something that I've already got a lot of. So I need to organise this information into a nice, clear way. So I'm going to group them up. I'm going to put my chopped tomatoes all together in a nice, neat row like this, and I'm going to organise my data clearly like so. So I can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tins of tomatoes. I'm then going to go with my baked beans, and I'm going to put my baked beans on top. And because I've got one row of tomatoes and then a row of baked beans, I can clearly see I've got more tomatoes than I have baked beans. I'm then going to go with coconut milk and put them on as well. I can clearly see I've got 2 tins of that, and I'll go with my chickpeas there. So now what I've done is I've got a bottom row of data. I've got 5 tins of chopped tomatoes, 3 tins of baked beans, 2 tins of coconut milk, and 1 tin of chickpeas. My data is very clear, it's neat and represented really well. I can tell exactly what I need to go and buy at the supermarket. This is using the actual objects, which is brilliant, except you need the actual objects to be able to do it. So now on the next video I'm going to show you how to represent this same data but through a pictogram. And that has one massive advantage, because if I have 50 tins of tomatoes, then instead of having to line up 50 tins of chopped tomatoes, which would take a long time and take up a lot of space, I am going to be able to draw them in a picture. And I'll explain more in the next video. Thank you.